Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol CHGG or Chegg. Looking at some recent news stories here, there's not a ton. There is one here way back on the 12th, just talking about a price target adjustment. So a big downgrade there on the price target to $46. The previous price target was $98. However, the rating there is still a buy. So it says maintains buy rating, even though it is a big downgrade from a $98 price target to a $46 price target. Let's take a look here at some of the price action. So on the 15-minute chart, it was in a downtrend, and then it kind of found a bottom or seemed to find a bottom here around 24.62 or so. You can see a low of 24.25, and then the buyer stepped in and really drove that thing up and left a big wick sticking out here on the 15-minute chart. Rallied up, pulled back, made another rally, pulled back again, but is still able to hold around that 24.90 level. So yeah, a little bit of a downtrend and then some consolidation going on here on the 15-minute chart. Let's check out the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart really just shows at the beginning here this really big move down after earnings, so a really big swing, and then kind of a slow bleed out. So it makes this huge move down, and then it's just trickling lower, continuing to trickle lower, and then trying a little bit here towards the end of the chart to get back above the 21-day EMA, but really unable to make a big move above that or stay above it. So it's still really trading right around that 21-day EMA. My trend reversal indicator here is showing a sell signal on this 1-hour time frame. I forgot to look here on the 15-minute. So yeah, here on the 15-minute chart, the latest signal for my trend reversal indicator is actually a buy right here, and it has made a nice little move up since that candle there where it triggered the buy signal. Let's check out the daily chart. On the daily chart, really ugly. So looking at the longer term time frame, this thing was in a nice uptrend, and then it peaked around 115, and that's where we really started to see the weakness. It got into a good downtrend here, got into a short trend here for a few months or so, and then started a downtrend again. And then after this recent earnings, massive gap down there and continuing to bleed on the daily. So definitely here on the daily chart, latest signal here for my trend reversal indicator was a sell on this candle up here. And geez, the price was over $79. What a great short entry it would have been to trade off of that signal right there here on the daily chart. So yeah, you can see the RSI has been busted on the daily. It's down around 15 right now. So yeah, this thing is really trashed and beat down from this high here of 115 on the daily chart. Let's head back to the 15-minute. So I think here on the 15-minute chart, the $25 level seems to be pretty key. You can see this thing rejected down here around 24.61 or so, really nicely, left the wick sticking out, rallied up, came down, and seemed to really reject that 25 level. And you had a pretty good rally, pulled back again, and now that price is trading right around that 25 level again. So on the 15-minute chart, I would definitely keep an eye on that. If it sells away from this $25 level on this 15-minute time frame, I think it could come down and test around 24.60 or so. So I'd be kind of looking at that price to the downside. And then to the upside, you can see some rejection here, and then some rejection here in after hours trading. So, if the buyers rally this thing and pump this thing above the 21-day EMA, probably the first point of interest for me is going to be around this 25.72. If it were able to get above that level and close above that level, then I think it may be able to go up and hit around 26 or something. You can see a nice little rejection here within the downtrend at that level. So those are some key levels I'd be keeping an eye on to the upside. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on Chegg. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.